Welcome to IP Service, Learn IT Tips and Troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to send a group email and make a group list in Gmail. So we are going to start. First of all, open Chrome browser and going to Gmail. Now we are going to right side of the corner Google Apps. Click and scroll down. We are looking for contacts. Here contacts, click. Here I click a label, create a label name, supposed to be IT department, then save. Now we are going to add this group email. We select some email address, like we select 5 email address in this group. Then I'm going to right side of the corner, top corner, and click manage labels and select our label names IT department. Click and apply. Okay, working. Oh yeah, 5 contact attached your IT department group. Here look, 5 contacts are here. Now we can send a group mail. We are going to Gmail, then click compose and click address bar to our group name IT department. Here click. Oh, looks 5 email addresses are here. Now we can send a group email in Gmail. Now then we'll type subject and mail body, then just send. Now you can see. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us.